Good job. Wow, excellent. Very good.
Done.
Yay! Good job, Joshua. High five. Ow! All right. Not bad. Now we got to put them in there slowly to fry. Put a few of them in there. Be careful, don't get burned. Put them in slowly. Don't throw them. Put them in, lay it down slowly. Don't worry, you're going to get burned. Just go like that, like mommy. Look. Don't touch the oil though. There you go. Put another one. Not bad. One more.
A good one.
Okay. Okay. Joshua is a cook. Good job, Poppy. And the steak is almost done. Hey, you're learning. You want to cook for me one day? Yeah, I've been teaching you how to cook. Are you going to cook for me? Yeah, alright. Good job. Alright, bye-bye.
Bye.